Last word. Earlier on, I heard you say President Tinubu is not a good man. What do you mean by that? What do you mean he's not a good man?
Honestly, it would have been like Ataturk of Turkey. If he came in with the mindset that he wants to give
service, reformist mindset,
he could have brought in restructuring bill for the first thing when he became president. To really, Nigeria has to be unbundled. We are in Nigeria. We're not saying Nigeria should disappear. We need to unbundle. Look, Yoruba man is not the same thing as Fulani man. We are not the same thing as a job person. He just live by fishing. Even in terms of endowment, the forest differ from the savannah and the desert. Middle belt is solid minerals. South is crude oil. North is agriculture. We need to differentiate, specialize in what we have competitive advantage. Then we'll not be fighting over the oil money in Abuja. Oil money are finished. We are now borrowing money. We are printing currency just to be in Abuja. Decentralized. But he came in now to continue the status quo of gripping Nigeria in the neck and being in charge. Press releases, appointments. That will not bring development at all. That will not bring development. So I expected him to really show that he had intellect. But he's just a transactional president.
Intellect and good intention.
He just running the government. He's not a transformative leader. Right?
2027 has to go. Who wins?
He will win. Because only death can take Tinubu from the position he is in. Only death, sickness. But everybody, who is standing? Nobody is standing. Nobody is standing at all. He has all the money. So look at it. It's strangulated Osun State. So any governor that doesn't make it, they are all falling down because EFCC, and then can cut the allocation under and pretend he cut allocation for local government in Osun State now. He can do anything. So the fear of this thing, Tinubu is the wisdom of governance. Absolutely, he will win. He will win. But when he wins, what will he do with it? If Tajabagbe York Lover Firo in Yoruba language, if a dog steals a bag of salt, what does he want to do with it? But people say he will do something second time. We second time. He's supposed to do it even now. We need to start onboarding Nigeria now. All this. He's supposed to retire to body loan and even one-time president. I've said so on the television channel. He should give us a new constitution by October 1. Election parliamentary system where you just make a little posters and you win in your local government and you become electoral college to elect state assembly. Even Abuja should be electoral college. You know, modified British parliamentary system. We can do something homegrown that you don't need to spend money for the whole country to campaign. You don't need to. Just win in your locality. You come to Abuja, they can say, okay, you prime minister. All ministers are in parliament. You cannot appoint your friends to come and become minister of this. Why is President Tinubu minister of petroleum for what? Like Buhari? Why? There's no need.
Interesting. Thank you so much, Dr. Fapohunda. Nice having you on the program.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.